Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Easy Life washing machine step by step. First, let's prepare your laundry. Always sort your clothes by color, fabric type, and how dirty they are. Remember to check all pockets for any forgotten items. Then, load your machine, making sure not to overfill it. About 3/4 full is ideal for proper cleaning. Next, let's add detergent and choose your settings. Pour the recommended amount of detergent into the correct dispenser compartment. Then, select the wash cycle that best suits your clothes, like normal for everyday items or delicate for fragile garments. Finally, choose your water temperature, such as cold for colors or hot for whites. Now it's time to start your wash. Ensure the washing machine door is closed securely. You should hear a click. Then, simply press the start button to begin the cycle. Briefly observe the machine to confirm it's filling with water and operating smoothly. The machine will handle the rest, washing your clothes efficiently. Once the wash cycle is complete, remove your clean clothes promptly to avoid wrinkles and mildew. After emptying the machine, wipe down the rubber door seal and leave the door slightly ajar to allow the drum to air dry. Remember to clean the detergent dispenser and any lint filters regularly to keep your machine performing its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.